I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to find what version of Synology DiskStation Manager or DSM you're using on your Synology NAS. Step 1. Open a web browser and then open the Synology DSM. Step 2. Click Control Panel on your DSM home screen. Step 3. Navigate to the System section and then click Info Center. The Info Center screen is displayed. Step 4. Make sure General is selected in the menu along the top of this screen, and then make sure the Basic Information section is expanded. You can find the current version of Synology DSM that you're using next to DSM version. In this example, you can see that I'm currently using DSM 7.2.2 Update 3. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.